Our story begins in the shadowy forests of Soviet Russia, where a chilling figure lurked, known as the Butcher of Rostov. This is the terrifying tale of Andrei Chikatilo, a man who terrorized an entire nation with his gruesome crimes. Andrei Chikatilo was an unassuming man, a factory worker, and a family man. But beneath this facade lay a monster with a horrifying secret. Born in 1936, Chikatilo's early life was marked by poverty and war. These hardships shaped a disturbed mind that would later turn to unspeakable violence. Chikatilo's first known murder occurred in 1978. His victims were often children and young women, lured into the woods with promises, only to meet a tragic end. As the bodies began to accumulate, Soviet authorities launched an extensive investigation. But the Butcher of Rostov was cunning, evading capture for years. Chikatilo was often questioned by the police, but managed to avoid suspicion due to his outwardly calm and cooperative demeanor. Despite numerous setbacks, the Soviet authorities intensified their hunt. Undercover officers patrolled train stations, bus stops, and wooded areas where the Butcher was known to strike. In 1990, after years of terror, Chikatilo was finally caught in the act, leading to his arrest and eventual confession to over 50 murders. During his trial, Chikatilo detailed his horrific crimes, shocking the nation. His cold and emotionless confession revealed the true extent of his brutality. Chikatilo was convicted and executed in 1994, but the fear he instilled in the people of Russia lingers to this day. His story remains one of the darkest chapters in Soviet history. The Butcher of Rostov reminds us of the darkness that can hide behind ordinary facades. Though justice was served, the scars left by his crimes are a solemn reminder of the fragility of human life. If you found this story compelling, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth true crime stories. Together we can explore the dark corners of history and remember the lessons they teach us.